My name's Nick Young and I'm Director of Estate Strategy at Mitchells & Butlers. One of the key challenges that we faced in switching to InSite and CACI was moving from a system that we've been using for over 10 years. We had to get used to a new demographic classification system, and we had to educate and train a wide user base. At the same time, we had to integrate the new system with all of our existing systems and reporting. Working with CACI, we've been able to develop a module called InSite Viewer. This is a web-based system that allows anybody with a username and password to access the system from anywhere as long as they've got a Wi-Fi connection. This enables us to look at where our sites are, where our competitors are, and at the demographic profile around all of those sites. In turn, this helps us to understand the micro markets that we operate within, and helps us to improve the decision-making process when we're looking at investing in new sites or developing existing sites. CACI helped us overcome some of the challenges that we faced by working with us to replicate the reports that we were used to using, but also helped us to develop new reports that gave us even greater insight. They've provided training, they've demonstrated how the system works, and we have a regular 3-monthly meeting with CACI to talk about what we've done over the last 3 months and our plans for the future. One of the results of working with CACI is that we've been able to adopt the use of the Acorn demographic classification across the organisation, and the user base is expanding. We have a number of core users who use it on a daily basis, but increasingly, and especially with InSite Viewer, we have an ever widening base of casual users who use it occasionally. We've also been able to use modules such as retail footprint and place settings in the analytical work that we do to understand our location strategy even better. We're now 18 months into the contract with CACI, and we plan to extend the use of Acorn, InSite and InSite Viewer across and throughout the organisation. As time goes on and as we become more familiar with the data and the insight that it gives us, we can identify ever-increasing ways of using what the system tells us to help in our decision making and help reduce the risks around particularly investment and investment planning. I'm confident that the more that we use the InSite system and the data that CACI provides, then our decision making, and especially our investment decision making, will improve even further over the coming months and years.